How to adjust video quality on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, okay, you can see here the media. Okay, you can tap the media. Here in media or video and photos section, you can see here the video quality. So you can manage your details, video quality, and the amount of cellular data you use with following options. Okay, there are two options, so you can set into optimize. So if you set this optimize, adjust the resolution to network condition. So if you select the data saver, lower the resolution for all videos. So okay guys, I decided to set into data saver. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjust the video quality on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.